Hello and welcome. My name is Rick Kramer. I'm excited to be here and thank you for attending this tips and tricks event here on Bluebeam. In today's session, I want to show you how you can start to use Bluebeam Studio projects and sessions within Bluebeam, not only to invite others, but more specifically, how to control the expiration date on a studio session. By the way, what you're looking at on my screen is both a Bluebeam review over here on the right, and then my C drive over here on the left. Now, what I'm going to do is utilize my C drive to start up a project online. Studio projects are included in Bluebeam Review in all three different editions. So if you purchase Bluebeam Standard, Bluebeam CAD, or Bluebeam Extreme, all three editions include the ability to store your files online using studio projects or using studio sessions, easy for you to say, to share those drawings with everyone, or files I should say, with everyone using studio sessions. So I want to show you how easy it is to really start up a studio project and a session and then set an expiration on that session. So over here what I'm going to do is start up a brand new project. I'll click on the plus sign to add it and select new project. And just for fun, I'm going to call this Taco Tuesday, since today is Tuesday, and hit OK. In just a little bit, we'll see that project start up over here, and online I now have Taco Tuesday with a unique identifier which will enable me to invite others to participate in this project. Now, I can manually go through and create a new folder or upload files, but I want to show you a unique way that you can easily set up a studio project. Using my C drive over here, I'm simply just going to drag and drop the files from here over to here. All I have to do is just sit back and do each one of these and drag them over. And I've now starting to create my studio project online. And I'm going to go through and drag all of these over. Looks like I missed number 3. You can also change its appearance over here to grid line, to stacked. And I'm going to go through and add this. Add 5. Let's go over here. There's 1, 2, 4. Looks like I keep missing 3. Now, the nice thing about this is, as I'm adding these, I can go through and be able to review these drawings or folders at any point in time. Let me go ahead and minimize this, and I'll maximize Bluebeam Review. It's currently in the process of uploading the files, so even as we're recording this, it's making those updates. Now, if I wanted to, I can simply double click on any of these and see the PDFs that have already been uploaded to the studio project. At any point in time within this project, I can go over here and start to invite others to participate and collaborate on this studio project. By clicking on the plus icon over here, I have the ability to type or paste emails into this invite list. I can also use emails from user groups or tap into my own address book in Microsoft Outlook. In addition to that, I can always add a message to the email. For now, I'm just going to hit cancel. If I wanted to go through and create what's called a studio session, a studio session enables us to get together on one drawing or one file, a PDF for that matter, and be able to mark it up at the same time. A studio project, you can invite individuals to, and they can check out that file like a library book, one person at a time. So if I check out that file, no one else can make markups to it. I can then use it, mark it up, and then check it back in, and then allow others to be able to check them in or check them out, depending on my permissions. In this next exercise, I want to show you how I can take a project file over here and create it as a session. Again, a session gives everyone the ability to join in at the same time with their own red lines and contribute to one PDF in this case. I'm going to right-click on this and add to a new session. I'm going to call this session over here Arc Comments. I'll click OK, and it'll select this file that I just selected, and in just a little bit we'll see it over here on the left-hand side. Pretty quick. Now over here we'll start to see the Arch comments with a unique identifier and the sample drawing. Now in this case, if I wanted to go through and invite an attendee, I can invite them here, and the same invitation pop-up will occur, and I can invite a user or users to participate in marking this up at the same time. What I'd like to show you is where you can set up the expiration date for this session. Over here in the top right-hand corner, you'll see Sessions Settings. I'll click on that and then enable the expiration date. That expiration date over here will give me the ability to set a date when it's going to expire and a time, and I'll click Apply. With this notification over here, I'm going to go through and show you another example of when I set the expirations. I'm going to open up a file over here that I've captured with my information. Oops, hold on. Or better yet, I will just bring it up here of 5 things you might not know. When you create your expiration date on your session, it'll automatically do this for you. Review will automatically send that notification 7 days before it expires, then 2 days before it expires, then 24 hours before it expires, and then after the session has expired, it'll automatically send a notification email to all the attendees that have been invited to that session. So you have 4 emails that will automatically be sent to your users that will say, hey, this is gonna expire, it's about to expire, and it's already expired. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed today's session on Bluebeam session settings. My name is Rick Kramer, and until next time, I'll see you later.